How to fix sound problem after iOS 26 update. So if you want to fix your sound problem after iOS 26 update, then first thing you want to check is if your iPhone is in silent mode. If you're using an older iPhone model like iPhone 14, 13 or earlier, then look at the ring and select switch on the top left side of your phone, just above the volume button. Make sure it's switched to the finger mode. If you're using a newer iPhone with the action button, then long press the button and check if it switches your phone to ringer mode. If that doesn't fix your issue, then turn off your Bluetooth. Sometimes your iPhone connects to a Bluetooth headphones or a speaker. Open your control center and turn off your Bluetooth. After that, test the sound again. And another fix you can try is resetting all of your settings on your iPhone. To do that, you need to open up your settings application, and from settings, you need to scroll down, go with general, then scroll down again, tap on transfer, reset iPhone, and tap on reset. Now here you reset all of your settings. After resetting your settings, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, in this case, you need to just simply go and force a restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button on the right side. Keep holding it until the screen turns black and you can see the Apple logo appear. Once the phone starts, open a video or play some music to check if the sound is back. Finally, if the problem still continues, then you need to go back to your settings and check if you have any new updates, like iOS updates. If yes, then Apple often releases bug fix updates that solve issue like this. So just simply go and update it and your problem would be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.